Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to easily download, install and set up OBS Studio on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. OBS Studio is completely free and one of the best tools for recording and live streaming. Before we begin, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot and keeps me motivated to make more tutorials for you. First, open any browser. In the search bar, type OBS. Open first website. Once you are on the OBS website, click on the Windows button and then click on Download the installer. The installer file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads. Double-click the installer file. The installation wizard will open. Click Next on the welcome screen. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose the installation folder. Finally, click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Click Finish and OBS Studio will launch automatically. When OBS opens for the first time, you will see the auto configuration wizard. Choose first if you want to stream, and second if you only plan to record videos. Click Next. Select your video settings. Runtime end up 20 by 1080. Choose 60 FPS for smooth recordings. OBS will test your settings and automatically configure. In the main OBS window, go to the Sources box at the bottom, click the plot icon and choose Remain as. Display Capture to record your entire screen. Window Capture to record a specific app or browser window. Video Capture Device to add a webcam. And your display will start showing. Click here to start your recording. And that's it. You have successfully installed and set up OBS Studio on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.